Hey, what's going on, guys and girls? In today's video, I'll be doing a comparison between ChatGPT and Jasper AI. If you're unfamiliar with what ChatGPT is, essentially it's the latest iteration of the language AI model created by OpenAI, and it's had the internet on fire for the past couple of weeks. People can't get enough of ChatGPT because it is truly mind-blowing. On the other hand, Jasper AI is one of the most popular AI copywriters in the market. They have some very powerful short and long-form templates, which allows you to generate both short and long-form copy. Coincidentally, Jasper AI is built on GPT-3, which is another language AI model that was created by the same company that created ChatGPT. And ChatGPT was actually built on top of GPT-3. So while ChatGPT and Jasper AI definitely share some similarities, there are some differences between these two language models. ChatGPT is more of a conversational AI model with a lot more features and functionality when compared to GPT-3, which is built on top of Jasper. So in today's video, I'll be prompting both Jasper AI and ChatGPT with the same inputs and assessing the output quality that we get back from both of these tools. So for the first example, I'll be asking both ChatGPT and Jasper AI to write a blog post introduction about how to improve your credit score. So I'm just going to paste that in here, copy this over, head back over to Jasper, and I'll be using the Jasper command feature, which allows me to ask Jasper to fulfill any commands that I have. So for this example, it'll be the same that we did in ChatGPT. So let's go ahead and click enter and see the type of content in which we're able to get back here. So this is a blog post intro in which we got back from ChatGPT. I'm just going to copy this for 1 second and paste this into the Jasper document here just so we can compare apples to apples. In terms of length, both of these are pretty similar, and I've actually went ahead and read through both of these intros and they're actually both pretty good. So let's go ahead and continue generating some output so we can see if there's a difference between these two tools. A reason why I really like ChatGPT is that it makes it very easy for you to generate content using their built-in AI. Now, Jasper AI also makes it pretty easy. They've built their AI to be very intuitive, but you do need to have some experience with Jasper AI to really figure out how to get the best type of content. So you have a lot more customization options for sure on Jasper AI. Like for instance, I can change the output length. I can choose if I want to compose on command. I can change my tone of voice. I can write a content description. I can add keywords, all within Jasper AI. Now, while I don't explicitly have those features included in ChatGPT, I definitely could include that. Like for instance, if I wanted to choose a tone of voice, I can ask the AI to write a paragraph in a specific tone of voice. But as I was saying, I really like how conversational ChatGPT is. So for instance, I can just tell this AI to continue writing this paragraph and it'll know that I'm talking about the paragraph above, and it will add some more relevant content to that paragraph. So they just make it a lot more easier, a lot more intuitive, a lot more one-to-one dialogue with the AI compared to Jasper AI. If I wanted to generate more content using Jasper, I can click the compose button here. And as you can see, Jasper will continue writing content for me. And you can continue clicking that compose button as long as Jasper keeps giving you new and relevant content. If it starts to repeat itself, then you probably would want to stop. But again, as you can see, it's also pretty easy on Jasper for you to start formulating your blog post. So while ChatGPT can be very easy to use and allows you to generate content pretty quickly, it can be harder to then put this together into a blog post. As you can see on Jasper, we have built-in templates already, which allows you to generate an intro, to generate a outline, and to be able to quickly generate a full-length article. With ChatGPT, you would have to generate your content, copy that, paste it over into a Google Docs, and then go about creating your content that way. And of course, that's because we're still in early days of ChatGPT. Jasper AI has had a lot of time for them to fine-tune their GPT-3 language model and to be able to create these templates and to be able to improve their AI model to give the best possible outputs. Some other things in which you can do with ChatGPT is you can ask it to write a paragraph in a different language. For example, I can ask it to write a paragraph about economics in French. And there you go, you got a nice paragraph about the economy in French. So you can also do the same function on Jasper. So again, we can ask it to write a paragraph about economics in French. And as you can see, Jasper starts that paragraph there in French. We just have to continue clicking compose and just keep on clicking compose until Jasper is finished with its output. So again, if I compare these two paragraphs, there's not really much to really separate them. They're kind of the same in terms of length, and I've also went ahead and read through this and put it through Google Translate. Both of them are pretty good articles that we got back. So in terms of specific language task, I really don't think that there's much to separate Jasper AI and ChatGPT in terms of quality of output and quantity in which we're getting back. But I do think that there's specific functionality features on ChatGPT that sets it apart from Jasper AI and other GPT language models. ChatGPT's conversational AI, which allows you to have a direct and instant conversation, I think that's a really powerful feature, and you can utilize that in chat boxes, in virtual chats, and really any type of environment where you need to have one-to-one instant conversations. The second functionality that's really impressive and unique to ChatGPT is their ability to write and fix code. Unfortunately, on Jasper and other GPT-3 models, you don't have that functionality available. You cannot ask the AI to write code, nor can you ask the AI to audit code that you've already written. So this is a unique feature that's included in ChatGPT, and I think this makes it very powerful and opens up doors for so many other use cases compared to ChatGPT and Jasper AI. Now, I'm not saying that Jasper AI wouldn't integrate a feature like this within their tool, but as of now, that's not available on Jasper. Without the GPT-3 language model that Jasper AI is built on, we would not have ChatGPT. So while ChatGPT and Jasper AI do share some similar functions and use cases, ChatGPT has much wider capabilities and use cases, as I mentioned in this video. So I hope that clears up the differences between Jasper AI and ChatGPT. If you have any additional questions, let me know in the comments below, and let me know what you think is better. As always, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learned something new. If you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, stay well.